Let's learn the alphabet. A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. A, clap, clap, clap. B is for berry, red and sweet. B, repeat, repeat.
C is for corn, yellow and tall.
C,
Say it all. D is for digger, dig the ground.
D, make the sound. E is for elk, strong and wide. E, say with pride. F is for frog, jump, jump, hop. F,
Don't stop.
don't stop. G is for guitar, strum the string. G, sing, sing, sing.
H is for hawk.
Up so high,
H,
in the sky.
in the sky.
Say the letter, hear the sound. Sing it once, then spin around. Loud and clear, just like a star. Letters tell us who we are. I is for iron,
Strong and gray.
I.
Say it your way.
J is for jelly,
Wiggle and shake.
J.
Fun to make. K is for keyboard.
Tap, tap, beat,
K.
feel the beat.
L is for Lego.
Stack it high,
L.
try.
M is for mountain.
Big and tall, M.
Say it all.
N is for nuts, small and round, N.
Hear the sound.
O is for onyx, shiny black,
O.
say it back. P is for popcorn,
Pop. P.
don't stop! Say the letter, hear the sound. Sing it once, then spin around. Loud and clear, just like a star. Letters tell us who we are.
Q is for quarry.
Stone and sand,
Q.
understand.
R is for rose.
Red and bright,
R.
say it right.
S is for sharks.
Swim so fast,
S.
say it fast.
T is for turtles.
Slow but strong,
T.
sing along. U is for umbrella,
Rain goes down.
U.
Spin around.
V is for vacuum,
Zooming sound.
V.
All around. W is for whistle.
Tweet tone,
W.
say it alone.
X is for Xerox.
Copy page,
X.
learning stage.
Y is for yellow.
Bright and clear,
Y.
say it here.
Z is for zombie.
Z and slow,
Z.
now you know.
A to Z, you did it great. Learning letters is first rate.
Say the letter, hear the sound. Sing it once, then spin around.